Hi, you're welcome back to Digital Marketing Skill Institute. If you are watching me right now, it definitely means you're interested in the topic of discussion today. And if this is your first time of seeing our channel, hi, you're welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like this video, and move around and watch previous videos. I believe you will learn something from it. My name is Joy Chioma, digital marketer and coach. Hi, you're welcome back. So today, like it is in the topic, we are treating email marketing for beginners. Yes, email marketing for beginners. So email marketing is one aspect of marketing that is less paid attention to, but yet it has high conversion. All right, what is email marketing? It simply means using the means of email to actually promote your products or your services, and to also build more like a relationship and connection with your prospective clients. Okay, so this is the simple definition of email marketing. So like I said, email marketing is one of the fields of marketing that is highly negligible. People don't really use it because they don't see the need. So today I'm going to be showing you why you should use email marketing, how you should use, and we'll be looking at the tech behind it and the strategy behind email marketing. All right, let's go into the topic of discussion proper. Now, email marketing. Now, this is the only form of marketing whereby you get to own your audience. What do I mean by that? People that subscribe to your email, that is your email list, they are people that are interested in the products or the services you are rendering. That is why they fill that form. That is why they subscribe to your email. So it therefore means that these ones, they already know what you're offering and they are interested. Okay, they are interested in it. So you own them. You can print your email list and put in your pocket and go wherever you go. Unlike Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, you don't own your audience. You don't own your followers. You don't own your subscribers. So YouTube can wake up one day and feel like, okay, I don't like this person's content, or your content violates the law, and then they close down your YouTube channel and your subscribers are nowhere to be found. But your email list is yours now and tomorrow. So you see, email marketing is one aspect of marketing that you want to really look into. Now let's look at the tech of email marketing. Now, when I talk about the tech of email marketing, I'm talking about the tools of email marketing. Now, email marketing is not when you gather emails and then you use your Gmail, say probably joychioma@gmail.com, to send emails. No, that is not email marketing. When we're talking about email marketing, we're talking about using tools like Mailchimp, ConvertKit, SendPlus, and the likes of it to schedule your email. All right, so these platforms has been properly organized to actually make email marketing work for you. Your Gmail, yes, it will send the email, but then it doesn't have that structure. It doesn't have that ability to be customized. Okay, but with these other platforms, you can customize your email and then make it look unusual, if I'm to put it that way. Make it look unique, different from what you see every time from your friends or in your workplace, right? So that is the tech behind email marketing. So you have to discover the tool that works for you. So most of these tools are actually designed in favor of some line of businesses, right? So that is why you need to make your own research to find out which works well for you. Okay, so these tools, some of them give you free access to an extent, sometimes a month, and some would give you a number of email that you can use to test run. Sometimes it's really a large number of email. So you can start with that to test run the platform to be sure that this is what you want to go for. So when you discover that platform that works for you, all right, do not be stingy, just go ahead and subscribe. Get into the subscription, pay and get subscribed so that you can market your goods or your services properly. All right, so that is the tech behind it. Remember, this video is just a beginner's guide, email marketing for beginners. So we'll be talking on a beginner level, right? So that is the first tech, or the primary tech behind email marketing. So we go to the strategy. Now, when it comes to email marketing or marketing in general, I always go by the 80-20 principle. All right, the 80-20 principle or strategy has to do with when you are trying to reach out to your prospective clients or audience, right? You don't just keep bombarding them with sales, buy this, buy that, go for this, pay for this. They will unsubscribe. All right, so when I'm talking about the 80-20 principle or strategy, I'm talking about 80% of the time you are giving them resourceful materials for free. Let's say your email list consists of, let's say, business owners, right? You want to give them tips that will grow their business. You want to give them tips that, okay, do this and do that and your business will grow. Most of the times you need to keep giving them this update. Every day they will be expecting your email, right? When you give them free resourceful content, they are always expecting, oh, I've not seen email from so and so. Now, when you now come up and you want to sell a particular product, they know, they have trusted right now that you are capable of giving them value for their money. Then they can commit their resources to you. Okay, I always give this example to marketing or sales. Now, it's just like you took someone's number for a relationship, right? Let's say you are a guy, you took a lady's number for a relationship, and then the first time you call the girl, you're like, hello, will you marry me? That won't work. Nobody marries like that. So if you get someone's number for a relationship, you have to first, from toasting the person to dating the person to engaging the person and then to getting married. That is a process, right? Same for marketing, same for sales. So you want to start giving your clients tips that will help their business, tips that will help them grow, all right? And then from there, from time to time, you can now begin to bring out paid products or services that you want them to enroll for. Okay, so that is how it works. So 80% of the time you have to give them resourceful content for free, okay, so that they are anticipating, they are waiting, okay, they are ready to receive what you are bringing to the table. So the few 20% of the time they're going to come up with something for them, you will see that they will buy into it. They will want to subscribe. They want to pay because they know that you can give them value for their money. So this is how email marketing works. This is the general strategy behind it, and it always works. And the good thing about email marketing, like I said before, is that you own this list. These people are people that are interested in your product, and you are sure that they are your audience. You cannot lose them. Do you understand? So it's a very unique and very resourceful and effective way of marketing your product, your brand, anything at all you want to put out there to the public. So in summary, we've talked about the tech and we talked about the tool for email marketing, right? And then we talked about the strategy, which is the 80-20 principle or strategy for marketing and sales. I know this video helped you, so please feel free, if you've not subscribed and you are watching till now, I'll cry for you. Subscribe now, turn on your notification bell, and please like this video and share to your friends. Thank you very much. We'll come to you next time at same channel. Bye for now.